Hey everyone, welcome back to Martech Novera. Today we're diving into the exciting world of landing page creation with a tool that's making waves in the industry, LanderLab.io. Overview of LanderLab.io. If you've ever struggled to design a stunning landing page or wanted to optimize your conversion rates, LanderLab.io is here to make your life easier. It's an all-in-one landing page builder that empowers you to create visually appealing and high-converting pages without any coding skills. Create beautiful and responsive landing pages in just minutes using simple drag-and-drop actions. No coding required. Key features. 1. Intuitive drag-and-drop editor. The drag-and-drop editor is a game-changer. Customize your landing page layout effortlessly by dragging and dropping elements. No more coding headaches. 2. Beautiful templates. Choose from a library of professionally designed templates, tailored for various industries. Whether you're promoting a product, service, or event, there's a template for you. 3. Responsive design. Your landing pages will look amazing on any device. LanderLab.io ensures a seamless and responsive experience for your audience. 4. Analytics and A/B testing. Dive into the analytics dashboard to track performance metrics. Conduct A/B testing to optimize your pages for maximum conversion. Pricing plans. Now let's talk about pricing. LanderLab.io offers flexible plans to suit your needs whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team. How to get started with LanderLab. Demo. We will guide you through a demonstration on starting with LanderLab and creating a creative landing page within 5 minutes. Let's explore the step-by-step guide together. Hello everyone, welcome to LanderLab.io, the official website for all your landing page needs. Today, I'm going to walk you through the user-friendly process of creating and customizing your own landing page using LanderLab. First things first, head over to LanderLab.io and take a look at our flexible pricing plans. Don't let complex pricing bog you down. Choose a plan that suits your current needs and easily upgrade as your business grows. Click on the Login button to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, simply sign up to get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Templates section and select Landing Pages. Here, you'll find various categories to help you filter templates according to your specific needs. Choose a template that catches your eye and click on the Preview button. If you like what you see, hit Use Template. Next, click on Create Your Landing Page and give it a name. Canva will load, presenting you with a drag-and-drop interface for easy customization. You have multiple options, including elements, sections, pop-ups, gallery, file manager, code editor, and settings. Whether it's adjusting colors, fonts, or CSS properties, customization is a breeze. Once you've fine-tuned your landing page, save and publish it. LanderLab will prompt you to publish your landing page with a custom domain or the default LanderLab subdomain. If you have your domain, connect it to your Cloudflare account before proceeding. This ensures a seamless integration, and once connected, all your domains will be available in the Publish dropdown. Choose your domain, hit Publish, and there you have it. Your site is ready. No servers required, no coding skills needed. In just 3 to 5 minutes, your professional landing page is live. But we're not done yet. LanderLab allows you to track leads and clicks through the dashboard and report sections. Plus, we offer integrations with Volume Tracker, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other SEO tools, giving you a comprehensive perspective on your page performance. So, start creating stunning landing pages effortlessly with LanderLab. Subscribe, customize, and succeed in showcasing your business online. Happy landing. Conclusion. So, if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, check out LanderLab.io. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and tutorials. Please visit and explore the LanderLab.io website. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.